Hello everyone and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be doing a steering stabilizer replacement on my W140 Mercedes S-Class. This is an S320 and this should apply to all W140 S-Class models. You can see I chose a Bilstein steering stabilizer. The reason I'm changing this out is because I have a front end vibration. Don't know that this is bad, but it looks like it's worn and I have the record when it was last replaced and it was quite a while ago. So because this part is so inexpensive, I wanted to go ahead and just replace it. So I'm going to go ahead, get out of the car, show you how to pull the old one off, and show you how to put this new one on. Alright, so here we are underneath the car, and this is going to be a really straightforward replacement. The steering stabilizer is right here, this big long shock absorber. And in order to replace it, all you need to do is remove this 17mm nut right here. You're going to need a backing wrench, also 17mm, to hold the bolt portion of it up here. And then you're going to pull out the 17mm bolt over here. So I'm going to go ahead, pull the shock or the steering stabilizer off, show you what it looks like with it off, and I'll pop the new one in and let you know what we need to do that. Back on the workbench just for a quick second, I wanted to show you how destroyed this old steering stabilizer is. So this was installed about 6 years ago. It doesn't have very many miles on it. It only has 30,000 miles on it, something like that. And if you take a look, I can open it and close it with pretty much absolutely no effort whatsoever. The new steering stabilizer, for comparison, takes quite a bit of effort to open and compress. So I would say that might very well be the cause of my steering vibration. I didn't explicitly state it, I don't think, at the beginning of this video, but I was having a vibration issue at somewhere between, throughout the range of 50 to about 65 miles an hour. Pretty sure that's probably going to be it. So I'm going to go ahead and install this new steering stabilizer in the car. It's really quite simple. You need to make sure that you have it stretched to the proper length. And once you've done that, align your two mounting points. Throw it in, bolt it back in, just like this one came out, like I showed a little bit ago, and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, we have new steering stabilizer installed. As you can see, everything's put back together on this end, put back together on this end. I don't know offhand what the torque specs are. I use the good old German torque spec of Gudentite. It's not a super critical safety component or anything like that. So as long as you make sure everything's snugged down properly, you're all good to go. I am very, very hopeful, and frankly I think it's quite likely, that this was the culprit in my steering vibration on the freeway. I will definitely let you know in the video description below, because I will have tested this out before I upload the video. So, like I said earlier, super quick, easy install. Including the time of filming this video, I probably only spent 15 minutes doing this. So really easy. And for any W140 owners out there, definitely something you probably want to replace just on a regular basis, because like I said, the old one was only like 6 years old, which time-wise might have been due, but only had 30,000 miles on it, something like that. So mileage-wise, it ate through this stabilizer pretty quick. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one.